photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes.
Friday afternoon, just about to crack out a beer, and Queen Bee just bombed me with a bee removal. So I've driven out here to I think it's Tweedy area, near Howick, and have a look and see what he's got waiting for us. I hope it's not going to be too hectic. Those beers are getting warm.
Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while.
Okay, started cutting some away. You can see here on the inside of this one there's some brood there. It looks like they're already popping out. Unfortunately, I think these guys are overheated. There's not as many bees as what I thought there would be in here. So it's mainly just the removal of the hive, empty comb and stuff like that. There's not many bees around, so that's the most bees that are here. Comparing to what it was, there's not very much left. Yeah, so it's quite a small little gap here. You can see it's quite a tight little knit in the corner. They always like making a nest here in the corner. So unfortunately this one's gone. Nothing we can do about it. Right, all pretty much done. Unfortunately, not much to get out of that swarm. Swarm is pretty much gone. Just the comb left with a couple of stragglers behind. It's always sad to see when someone's tried dooming them or fogging them, fumigating the bees ahead of time, when we could have just removed the whole swarm with the queen and the brood and everything like that. I've got one frame of brood with me that looks like they are trying to come out of the cells. I'll go and put them in one of the boxes when we get home. We'll try and get a video of that one.
So this one was in the roof of a shed and with a workshop below, and they were battling to get any work done because the bees were making it hard for them. Yay!
Okay, so I cut them out and everything like that, and well, I cut out all the comb, and I probably got at the most a golf ball worth of bees out. And
A golf ball?
Yeah. That many.
Really?
Yeah. They fumigated all of them.
Oh no.
Promise you.
That's not cool.
So
We don't like it when people do that. You puffy.
Yeah. So it's not cool when you have to get called out. In any case, people think that they're gonna save a bit of cash by not calling out a beekeeper to remove the bees, but invariably they try and smoke it or they try and doom it or whatever it may be, and at the end of the day they have to call out a beekeeper in any case.
Do the right thing from the beginning. Don't be a fool.
Yeah. So basically, they just keep coming back, don't they? Eh?
Exactly.
So I mean, you can spray them now, and then at the end of the day, they just gotta keep coming back to the hive, aren't they?
Yes, they are. The problem is if the whole comb is not removed, that smell of hive doesn't just disappear. And so even though that colony might be exterminated, what happens is that as soon as there's swarming season, you'll get another one moving in. So it's important to make sure that you use a beekeeper who can do it in an ethical way, and that way they can remove all the comb and make sure that it's sealed up so that other swarms don't move in there again.
So on a lighter note, I do have 2 frames of brood.
Yippee!
And it looks like they're busy trying to climb their way out.
Okay.
So maybe we can pop them into one of our hives here.
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet, I would feel my heart beat.
Right, here we are. A little box over here that we're going to tackle. See, it's got one super up. It's a fairly strong hive, but we know that these guys will be able to look after the brood that we've managed to get our hands on coming from that removal. You can see over here.
Smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.